Hello and Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome to my channel, and today my topic is the strange things of the world. Yes, the first thing is the teddy bear. The recently recognized Guinness World Record holder for the largest teddy bear, the 65 plus foot stuffed bear, weighs over 4.4 tons and was constructed in our Saucer Stadium in the Mexican. It is very unique and strange. That is why it is in Guinness World Records. Okay, the second thing is QT van. Yes, it is very small van, and the second Guinness World Record awarded to QT van, the world's smallest carva, at 2 meter long and 75 meter wide. The tiny trailer is small enough to be towed by bicycle, and it can carry up to 50 kg of cargo without any difficulty. That is why it is also in Guinness World Record. The third thing is the largest gold ring. Yes, it is very unique and very precious also, and all the people very liked it very much, and its weight is 64 kg. Yes, its weight is 64 kg and it is very unique. It is very beautiful and it is decorated with stones and diamonds, and it is very precious also, and it catches all the audience praise. So that's why it records in Guinness World Record, and all people very like it, and it is displayed in the UAE in Sharjah. The fourth thing is, yes, जब मैंने इस पिक्चर को चूज़ किया तो आई एम वेरी मीन्स वेरी सरप्राइज्ड हाउ पीपल मेड इट. इट इज़ sweet things is laddu and weighing over 8,000 kg. Oh my god, and sets the Guinness World Record also. It is made by Indian people. Okay, and the next one is strange things, the smallest and very beautiful paintings. The largest collection of the miniature paintings in 5,000 and was achieved by Martha, and in USA, और it is very unique, और इस पूरे collection में इसको choose किया गया. Okay, and the last thing is pumpkin. Yes, it is very unique and very big pumpkin. Guinness World Records confirmed on October 9, 2010 that is gigantic pumpkin grown in Wisconsin was officially the world's heaviest pumpkin. It is also very unique. It is very nice things. और जब ये मैंने इसको देखा तो मैं बड़ी मतलब सरप्राइज्ड हुई कि इतना बड़ा पम्पकिन एक इसको ग्रो कैसे कर सकते हैं, और यही चीज़ इस चीज़ को लेके गया गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स में. ये बहुत यूनिक एंड वेरी ब्यूटीफुल थिंग्स थी, इसलिए मैंने इसको चूज़ किया, और मैंने कहा मैं अपनी प्यारी ऑडियंस को क्यों ना दिखाऊँ, यकीन आपको ये पसंद आई होंगी. टिल देन अल्लाह हाफिज़, एंड प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच. अल्लाह हाफिज़.